Welcome to my least favorite room in our house, the master bathroom. I decided I wanted to give this room a little love in hopes that it'll better fit into the aesthetic of what I've done with the rest of the house and not look so yellow and ignored. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know this is part of my DIY Master Bathroom Makeover challenge, where I'm making over my bathroom for under $200 and challenging you to do the same. The first steps are to declutter and clean. And more specifically for this video, I want to show you in more detail how I clean the tile grout lines without scrubbing, because every time I've documented this on Instagram, I get so many messages asking about what I use and how I do it. Let's be real, the dirty grout struggle is real. We've all got it, but nobody wants to talk about it. I also want to point out before I get into this that while the drill brush might look like the amazing tool in all this, I'm going to go ahead and tell you it's actually the crud cutter. When my drill died on me when I was cleaning the kitchen floor earlier this year, I pulled out a brush and started scrubbing and got the same results. It's just a lot easier and quicker to use the drill brush. If you haven't already, subscribe here to my YouTube channel for more house projects and DIY challenges, and come hang out with me on Instagram at Katherine D. Forbes for real-time updates. Okay, let's get into it. I start by vacuuming the floor first, and then I take a wet wipe and clean the baseboards. I'm using this Be Active brand because hello 2020, it's all Target had. This is a trick I learned when we were selling our first house. It's a really easy thing you can do to make your room feel so clean. Depending on how dirty your tile is, the drill brush might spit up some mess back up onto your baseboards when you're cleaning your grout. So when you're done there, you might just need to give it a quick wipe down again. Now on to the grout cleaning part. Here's a before of our bathroom floor. You can definitely see it's darker in some spots that get more traffic. It's lovely, right? Now you're going to want to spray the crud cutter. I follow along the lines of the grout, but it gets all over the floor, and that's totally fine. I just do little sections at a time. Let that sit for a few minutes, get your drill brush ready, and you'll see a blooper at the end of this video of me trying to add a brush to the drill. And let's just say I'm not the best at doing anything with the drill other than using it to clean the grout. I started with the drill brush facing down like this, and it wasn't cleaning how I expected it to, so then I turned it on its side, and that definitely did the trick. Can you see it getting all that stuff out? It's so good and so easy. This slow-mo view really shows how good the drill brush gets in there to clean out all the gunk. Once you finish the area with your drill brush, just use your feet and a junk towel to wipe up the excess spray. I keep my feet on the towel the whole time so it's not slippery. Here's what my towel looked like after I finished the whole floor. Now let's check that before view one more time. And here's the after. I really hope the difference is showing up for you on camera because it looks so good in real life. Even just doing this cleaning made me not hate the bathroom as much. Once it dried, I took a Swiffer to it just to get the crud cutter excess really cleaned off. Swiffering with one hand is more difficult than it sounds, so I'm just going to jump to the next clip because you get the point. That's how I clean tile grout without scrubbing. It's super quick and easy and gets amazing results. And since this is a full master bathroom challenge, I really wanted to clean and declutter the bathroom as a whole. So I took wet wipes to the cabinet fronts, I drill brushed the shower floor edges, I dusted the extremely deep and unnecessary shelves, decluttered everything under the sinks and in the drawers. You really just have to pull everything out, go through it all, throw away what you don't need, and organize it all when you put it back. I actually went out to Bed Bath & Beyond and got some drawer organizers to keep all my makeup and Birchbox products from turning into a cluttered mess again. And I was going to use one for myself and one for my husband, But after I cleaned out his drawers initially and he didn't even notice, I decided to keep both organizers for myself. The after of cleaning and decluttering drawers is always so satisfying. But that's it for my week 1 of this bathroom makeover. If it has inspired you to do your own, let me know in the comments. Definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to stay updated. And come join me on Instagram too for real-time updates and DIY challenges. And like I mentioned earlier, here's that blooper of me trying to get the drill brush on.
So usually Chris helps me anytime I need to use the drill, but he's not home. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to put the drill brush on the drill all by myself. So let's give it a try. Oh, maybe. I undid it. Oh. I don't like that part. There's gotta be like I have no idea what I did, but it took me 2 minutes. Not too bad.